Good morning, dear students. Welcome my today online class. And today I teach chapter number 15. Chapter name is Air Around Us. Air Around Us. And today we will discuss in this chapter about firstly, air is present around us. Air is present around us. Air is present everywhere as though it cannot be seen by us. Even those containers and vessels which appear to be empty to us are filled with air. For example, an empty bottle is not really empty. It contains air in it. Even we turn an empty bottle upside down, the air is remains in it. We can so by performing a simple activity. Okay, this board picture showing a simple activity that air occupies space and that even an empty bottle is full of air. Okay, so student, I will explain this activity. Okay, this is two figure or picture. Okay, so the first picture showing, okay, water does not enter the bottle. Okay, water does not enter the bottle. Okay, so this is water and this is bottle does not enter the water in this bottle. Okay, and this picture showing air bubbles out and water enter the bottle. This is bottle and this is bottle, and this picture showing water enter the bottle. Okay, and air bubbles out. Okay, air bubble go out. Okay, so student, we take a empty glass bottle and hold it in the inverted position. Okay, so this is inverted position. Okay, and open mouth facing downward. Okay, the inverted glass bottle is put in water keeping vessels. Okay, inverted glass bottle put on water. Okay, this type. Okay, so we will find that water does not enter into the inverted glass bottle. Okay, so does not enter in this inverted glass bottle. Water is not enter. Okay, and because the bottle is filled with air. Okay, because the bottle is filled with air, actually all the spaces bottle is occupied by air. The air present in the empty glass bottle prevent the water from entering it. Okay, from this activity we conclude that air occupy space. Okay. If we till the bottle held in water, we will find that the air present in bottle goes out in the form of air bubbles. Okay, showing this picture. Okay, if we till the bottle held in water, okay, we will find that the air present in bottle goes out in the form of air bubbles. Okay, that's clear. So this picture showing, okay, as the air from the bottle escapes water start entering the glass bottle. Okay, actually the space vacated by the air leaving the bottle is now occupied by water. Okay, the above activity shows that a glass bottle which appear to be empty to us is actually filled with air. Okay, I hope understood all of you. Okay, so an empty bottle is not really empty, it contains air in it. Okay, and next second topic is to the class atmosphere. Okay, the second topic is to the class is the atmosphere. Next topic is the atmosphere. Okay, this picture showing about atmosphere. Okay, and this is earth. Okay, and this layer is air surrounded by earth. Okay, so the student, the envelope of air around the earth. Okay, so this is an envelope of air. Okay, it's called atmosphere. Okay, the envelope around the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, student, we lie on the earth. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air. Okay, so the envelope of air. Okay, so the envelope of layer surrounded the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, the envelope of air, the surrounded of earth is called atmosphere. Okay, so this is envelope of air and this is called atmosphere. Okay, so the envelope of air that surrounded the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to many kilometers above the surface of earth. We live within the atmosphere of the earth. Atmosphere is essential for life on earth. Okay, atmosphere is essential for life on earth. Okay, this is because the air of atmosphere provide oxygen gas for breathing by all living organisms, including us. As we go higher up in the atmosphere, the amount of air becomes less and less. Okay, the air at the top of very high mountain is so thin that it does not have enough oxygen for the people to breathe properly. So the people who climb high mountain, okay, carry cylinders contains oxygen gas with them. They breathe in oxygen in this cylinder. Okay, they breathe in oxygen from this cylinder. So what is atmosphere? The envelope of air that surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, and atmosphere is essential for life on the earth. I hope all of you understood today's class topic. Air is present around us and atmosphere. Okay, regarding this topic, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.